In this video, I am creating a swag for my lantern on my front porch. So if you want to see me do that, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into it. I am participating in a challenge hosted by Jessica at Measure and Mix and Miss V. And what they want us to do is to create a DIY project that we would use to decorate our front porch or the front of our house. And I am going to do that. Anyone that follows me knows that DIY is always my challenge. So let me start out by saying thank you guys for challenging me to kind of stretch myself just a little bit more. And what I'm going to do today is create a swag for my lantern on my front porch. And if you're not familiar with Jessica and Miss V, I will link their channels below. They love to do DIY, and they really always come up with some very interesting projects. So if you want to see some of the best DIY projects on YouTube, check out Jessica at Measure and Mix, and then also check out Miss V. Okay, so now let me get mine started. I was thinking I'd like to do something like this. I kind of like the rustic look for Christmas decor to a certain extent, so I thought I would try something like that. So let's get it started. This is what my lantern looks like now, and I want to create a swag to make it festive for the holiday. Now these are the things that I'm going to use to create this swag for my lantern. I've just got this lantern piece here just to use for me to see how it will drape around there, because we've got like sub-zero weather today and freezing rain, so I want to work on as much in the house as I can. So I'm going to just use this to make sure that I can tie it around and it'll drape down like I want. And then I've got some berries which I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I've got some ribbon which I got on sale at Hobby Lobby at their 50% off sale. And then I have all these little branches, and I picked these up off the floor at Lowe's and out of their discard box. They have this bin where when they trim down the Christmas trees for people, that you can just get these things. So I'm going to be using that. And then of course I'll have either pipe cleaner or some kind of twine to tie the pieces together. So let's get it started. And I also have a clipper, and I probably will also get a bigger one because some of these branches are kind of thick. So now let's get it started. So here is my DIY project. I am so very proud of it. And I want to thank Jessica at Measure and Mix and V at Miss V for pushing me to try this. I would have just gone to Michael's or Joann's and I would have just spent who knows how much and I would have bought something. Granted, what I bought might have turned out to be a lot better, but I am just so excited about this one. This is my first project of this type and I'm pretty pleased with the way it turned out. So thank you guys for pushing me just a little bit. So my question for you is, what part of this whole process do you have questions about? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is a very cold Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. In case you're wondering, we've got sub-zero temperatures and the wind is like whipping it up, so I am getting inside.